So this is the box it arrived in. It's upside down, so wasn't too heavy, but still would probably need 2 people. Okay, now it's open. Well, out of the box. This is what the manufacturer's box looks like. Here's your specifications. Okay, this is what you see when you first open the box. Okay, so out of the box, this would be the spa / hot tub. I was wondering, because I never found any directions for heads up warning. This is the box that has your instructions in it. It's the smallest of the 4 boxes. I think I said 3 last time, but there's 4 boxes within the big main manufacturer box. And there's your instructions. I know the box that I showed last actually goes on top of this box, and it is in the instructions, and it will look just like this. There are 3 little screws, 1, 2, 3 that will be screwed in, assembling this part to the top of that. And then next you'll take these hoses and this piece, and they'll go on this part. This came off the top with just a small slide and push of a button. Next I will do the next step. That was not too bad, but it was a little, maybe a little hard to read for me. But you put this part of the tube into the spa to blow it up. This part is connected to the machine, and then you use this to turn it on and the bubbles to blow it up. It is a little loud, but it says it takes about 8 to 10 minutes to blow the entire thing up, and then I'll be back. Okay, now that the spa is blown up, the next step was to do basically the same thing to the cover. And you find there's the little air valve right there. And you just do the same exact thing with. The last step was to connect these 3 pipes that you can barely see now, and to put the cover back on. But here, I'll show you. Take it off, and there's the 3 pipes, and then you put the cover back on, which is what I'm doing now. It's pretty simple, and it snaps on just like that. And then after that, it's fill time, which is what we're doing now. I will do one final video after it's filled. I hope this helps for reviews so that you can see what you are purchasing or possibly purchasing. So far, obviously we haven't gotten to use it, but it looks like the reviews say. Pretty nice spa, portable for to go or deflate and inflate.